So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up CBackup Professional and claim the free 1-year giveaway. This is an official and completely legal promotion, no piracy involved, which means there's no risk of viruses or malware on your PC. If you want to get paid software for free through official giveaways, make sure to follow this channel. First, visit the official CBackup Professional website. CBackup is a powerful Windows backup, sync, and cloning software designed to protect your important files. Now, download the installer from the official website. Avoid downloading software from unknown third-party websites. Always use the official source to ensure your system stays safe. Once the download is complete, run the installer and finish the installation. Open the CBackup app. You'll notice that you're using the free version, which requires a subscription to unlock all of its premium features. Fortunately, there's an ongoing promotion available on the official website. As always, you'll find the link in the description below. Simply copy the promo code and paste it into the registration window to activate your free 1-year professional license. If you successfully claim the giveaway, let me know in the comments whether it worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech tips, tutorials, and official software giveaways. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.